Robinhood Financial Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Robinhood and alternative financial tools are in the description. Let's get straight to the point. Robinhood is a popular commission-free trading platform designed for individuals who want to trade stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies without paying traditional brokerage fees. It offers a user-friendly interface and is known for making investing accessible to beginners. Robinhood allows users to buy and sell investments directly from their mobile devices or desktop, with no minimum deposit required. The app includes features like instant deposits, fractional shares, and real-time market data, which make it easier for new investors to get started and diversify their portfolios. Robinhood is ideal for beginner and intermediate investors who want to trade without worrying about commissions eating into their profits. It's especially appealing to those who want to dip their toes into the stock market with small amounts of money, as it allows users to buy fractional shares. Unlike traditional brokerages, Robinhood makes it easy to start investing without large capital or complex platforms. However, it's also suitable for more experienced traders who appreciate the simplicity of the interface and the ability to trade quickly. The biggest strengths of Robinhood are its commission-free trades, ease of use, and access to a wide range of investment options, including stocks, options, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. The ability to trade fractional shares is a standout feature, as it enables investors to buy portions of expensive stocks like Tesla or Amazon. Robinhood also offers a streamlined, intuitive app experience, making it perfect for mobile-first users. The platform's simple design allows new traders to jump in without feeling overwhelmed by complex financial tools. However, there are some weaknesses. While Robinhood is great for basic trading, it lacks the advanced tools and research features that more experienced traders may need. It doesn't offer retirement accounts like an IRA or tax-advantaged investing options, which could be a downside for long-term investors. Additionally, the platform has faced criticism for issues around customer service, and it doesn't provide a wide range of educational resources compared to competitors. Overall, Robinhood is a solid option for beginner investors or anyone who wants to trade stocks and cryptocurrencies without commissions. But if you're looking for advanced tools, retirement accounts, or in-depth research, platforms like TD Ameritrade or E-Trade might be better suited for your needs. Check out the links in the description for more details.